Good morning, guys, and welcome to your reading. Now, for our second unit in reading, we have been discussing and talking about conservation and water problems, like access to fresh water and water pollution and all the demands on water. So, we're going to start now with what we call an opinion writing piece. So, in an opinion writing piece, you guys are going to be writing about your opinion. So, how you feel about something, not what you've read or what you've seen, but your opinion. And remember, your opinion is kind of like your feelings. So, how you feel about a topic. So, we're going to go ahead and today's lesson you are just going to find out what opinion writing is, and I'm going to show you a sample of opinion writing so that we can get started tomorrow. And then I'm going to also show you a and talk to you about if you want to look up and research anymore. So last week you did a lot of looking up of videos on the Hyperdoc for science, all about water pollution and water conservation and water issues. So now you're going to get to choose what you want to talk about in your writing. So first we're going to go ahead and watch this video about what opinion writing is.
Episode 1. What is opinion writing? Your opinion is what you think or how you feel about something. People can have different opinions. Some people love pizza and some people hate pizza. That's their opinion. We can share our opinions with others by writing about them. When someone is talking or writing about their opinion, there are certain words you might hear. Opinions may start with I like, or I believe, or I think, or you may hear other opinion words like the best or my favorite. So let's see if you can find the opinion. I love dogs because they are so cute. Or dogs have fur and tails. Which one is an opinion? Did you say this one? If so, you're right. It tells someone's feelings about dogs, not just facts. If you're ready to start brainstorming your own opinions, check out Episode 2, Choosing an Opinion Writing Topic.
Okay, guys, now that we know what an opinion writing is, I'm going to go ahead and read you a sample of an opinion writing. So, we're going to go ahead, and this would be all about the access to water. So, we've been reading a lot about that, and in our One Well book and in all of our videos. So, we're going to go ahead and read someone. This is an example of what your opinion writing would look like. Clean, safe water for everyone. Did you know that on average, each person in North America uses 550 liters of water every day? But in other parts of the world, people use only 140, 70, or even as little as 10 liters of water a day. Millions of people do not have access to enough fresh water. We must act now to make sure that everyone has the water they need. Access to fresh water affects people around the world, and luckily, this is one problem we can solve. Access to water affects people worldwide. Water is not spread out evenly on Earth. Some parts of the planet have a lot of water, and some parts do not. This is because of things like differences in rainfall. So, people living in these parts of the world do not have access to enough water. Farmers do not have enough water to grow their crops, so food has become scarce. Many people can get water in their homes from a tap, but 1 million people have to walk at least 15 minutes to get their fresh water for the day. Then they have to walk home carrying heavy jugs of water for themselves and their families. They do this each day just to have enough water for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Unfortunately, some families don't even have enough water for those simple needs. For others, the water they are able to collect is dirty and will make themselves and their families sick. This problem must be solved because water is the most basic need for all people on earth. Luckily, this is a problem we can do something about. We can be part of the solution. For example, we can help organizations that work to make water more accessible. Organizations like Ryan's Well Foundation raise money to build wells in parts of the world where people don't have enough water. You can help organizations like this by raising money, or you can volunteer to help teachers teach others their message. The more people know about this problem, the more they can help to conserve and protect water so that everyone has enough. Raising money and making people aware of the problem can make a big difference. The best news is that if we try, we can help more people get the water they need. Why won't you join in working to make sure that everyone has access to safe water? So, that is an example of what an opinion writing is going to look like. So, you have an introduction paragraph. Then, after that, you have a paragraph that has your reasons and proofs. One reason is why it affects people and an example. And then the other one is the solution that we can have and an example of a solution. And then the last paragraph is just wrapping it all back up, your conclusion, restating your opinion, and then kind of calling that reader to action. Won't they help? If you've noticed, the last sentence and the first sentence are both questions. That is a really good way to start because it gets people wondering and answering their questions. So today, you opened up a document that had your opinion writing on it. And this document that you see here now, as it opens, is your day. If you can see that it has something to do every single day, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then you scroll down and then you're going to have Thursday, and then you scroll down and you have Friday, and then you have Tuesday again. So this is going to be 2 weeks worth of writing to make your writing. Now remember, when you open this up, it automatically goes to your name. So this one is the master copy. And then if you look at this next one, it automatically named it Sierra Opinion Writing. Yours will do your name, Opinion Writing. And then this is the one that you're going to be able to write on. So if you see it just said Tuesday, May 5th, 2020, today's lesson is about what is opinion writing. Watch the YouTube video. So that's what you're doing now is you're watching the video. After that, you are done for the lesson for today. Tomorrow's lesson is right underneath of that. And then you would have each lesson. And each lesson is going to have a video that you're going to watch first that will give you an example of what you're going to do. Now, when you are if I want to do some more research. So you guys have been looking at the HyperDoc with all of the water problems. That's in your science class. But if I wanted to go, I would just open another tab and have it come to Google. And then I would search whatever I was looking for. So we just read about access to fresh water. So I would put in access to fresh water for kids. And then it comes up with several videos that you can watch off of YouTube. And then it also has articles. So here are some articles you can read to get some facts about it. Freshwater facts for kids, fresh water, the gallery of freshwater habitats. So everything so you can learn a little bit more of freshwater. Say I didn't want to do the freshwater and I wanted to research the water pollution. So water pollution for kids. And it comes up the same way. There are many different videos you can watch. And then there's also some articles or web pages that you can read and get some answers to all of your problems. So this is something that you might want to start looking at today to start researching. not only are you going to research this today, but you're also going to do a little bit tomorrow. So getting used to going on and researching. Maybe I'm not into the pollution and I want to know about the demands on water. These are the three things we learned and we're reading about. So demands on water for kids. And then things. How much water do we need? Water conservation, right? How do we save water? Water challenges. Why water? Water and children, right? A lot of different things you might want to take some time to read and go over just to get some more ideas before you start your next results, right? Tomorrow's lesson, lesson 6, will be all about just picking your topic. So we're going to go ahead and pick our topic tomorrow. So today, go ahead and look up those three: water pollution, access to water, and demands on water. And you can start pre thinking about what you are going to want to write about, and everything will be here in your document. So if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Have fun researching.